Alright guys, back at SSP, and we're working on a 2001 Forester, and we're going to show you guys how to replace the sunroof glass. If you got a crack in it, it's leaking, broken from rock or whatever it may be. Extremely simple. Shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes after you've cleaned everything up. In our case, we're lucky, we're just pulling it. So let me show you guys how to take it apart. Get a clip remover like this, and the number 10 socket. That's all you really need. There's these plastic things. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me move this rubbish out of the way. There's right here. There's one right here. And they just pop out. These guys, they just snap in. You can't break them. You can actually just do it with your hand. You don't have to get too involved. There's a number 10s. There's 4 of them. There's one here, there's one here, and there's one here. I get a piece of paper. I'm gonna lift this up a little bit on this side. There's a shimmy over here. There's one shim in the front. If I was you guys, I would put on a piece of paper how many shims from each side, because you're gonna need them. Like this one's got a ton of shims. Holy cow, look at that. I haven't seen this many shims in one spot. Look at that, that's 5 shims, holy cow. Same on this side. You just pull these plastic covers off. One there, one there. Obviously you're at home. Be a little more careful with pulling those off so you don't lose them. There's a tin here. There's one tin here. There's 2 shims over there, and then one there and one there. Okay, so we removed all the bolts. Let's go up to the top, and just a heads up, this is only going to work when this thing's closed all the way. If this is halfway out, you're not going to be able to reach these bolts and stuff. If you push up on one side, the bracket's stuck. There we go. There's the glass. You can see these guys, they're very simple. You really can't screw it up. I mean, there's no reason to pay a dealership a bunch of money and then have them take 10 minutes to swap out the glass and charge you, a couple $100 for something you can do yourself at home. I guess the most important thing out of this whole situation would probably be those shims. Might want to kind of know how many go per side. And then when you get your new glass, just slide it back in. I'm gonna put it back in. I'm not gonna bolt it in, but I'm gonna put it back in. Just place it back into the spot. It doesn't really have to be like popped in. Just throw it in here, and then let's get down here. I'll show you. Once it's in here, there's your bolts. You put these 10s in. I'll do one of them so I show you guys how it's done, and then you guys can do the others. Put these 10s in, like that, and like that. And then I think this one had like 5 shims, right? Just grab 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can lift it up and slide. See that? Slide them in like that, and then tighten it. I recommend not using the gun to tighten it, because you might over tighten and crack the thing. I've done so many that I'm used to, but if you have never done one, And then this cover, these little 2 pins, they can sit right here. And you'll feel the pop. Doesn't like me. There he goes. That's it, guys. It's just, I mean, it can't take more than 5 minutes to do this. If you guys are having trouble, comment, let us know. If you need, this replaced, we'll get to them eventually, but if you need it, give us a heads up, we'll put it in. If you need seatbelts put in, because they're not retracting anymore, we can do that too. Subscribe to us, give us a heads up.